How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax in Cocoa, and check out this boat. Right here, I got a 2025 Harris 230 Sunliner. It's a tri-tune boat. You've got a really nice, beautiful, fast, and efficient Mercury 200 V6 pushing it. You got all these nice lines on the Sunliner models here. And the black railing looks really nice. Let's hop up and take a look inside. So you can see up here, we got the white and gray seats, plenty of storage underneath. Cup holders just about in every section, as well as USB ports for your phone chargers. This boat is in the center walk-through configuration, so you just walk right through. You've got it's a good seating configuration to maximize your seating in the boat. You do have the dual helm seats as well, which is really nice if you ever just want to take the partner out just for a day, cruise on the water. More cup holders everywhere. 2 cup holders for the captain. You've got a Simrad MFD display, JL audio head unit, wireless charger for your phone, plenty of storage down below, and you get this nice digital throttle on that 200 Mercury. It's really nice and smooth. Makes it very worth having the 200. In the back here, you got another seating area, more cup holders, more phone chargers, plenty of storage back here. Good area for a trash can, things like that. And it's just a really wide open boat. You do have an electric bimini top, so it's automatic. It folds down and it goes up. This is just a perfect boat. Take out on the Indian River, do a little cruising, and just have a really good day on the water. If you'd like to see this boat, it is available now at MarineMax in Cocoa, or feel free to give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you, guys.